So, brand new pulley, Nissan. Alright. Old pulley, old tensioner. 97 Max. As you can see, that's the tensioner bracket. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2, and the one above the pulley all the way at the top. What happened was, the pulley came off while driving. I had to go to Home Depot and I found washers and I bought a different. I couldn't find it, it was too dark. It got stuck, it would not thread all the way on, and wind up tearing the belt off, but I got it home. It was turning with that pulley little thing right there. So to avoid that, I stuck this in there at the same time using 14mm little thing here and unthreaded it, and it's off now. Damn.